security question setup. Set up security questions to help you recover your account. Tap anywhere to continue. Alright, so okay na yun. Na-set up ko na ang aking security questions. Wala na mga hack, or kung meron man, mahihirapan sila na hulaan kung ano yung mga pinaglalagay ko doon. Okay? So sana ay manatutunan. Check. Welcome back to Learning Buddy. This is Sir Marvin, at sa episode na ito, ang ituturo ko sa inyo ay kung paano tayo maglalak ng ating GCASH account, paano natin isa-secure, paano tayo mag-set ng security feature kapag may taong gustong mang-hack ng ating GCASH account. So, pangalagaan natin ang ating GCASH account kasi syempre, nandyan yung ating mga pinaghihirapan or mga naipundar natin or investments. So, ngayon nga, ipapakita ko sa inyo ito. No? So, ito ay isang notification na galing sa GCASH mismo. Sabi dyan, never share your OTP or one-time PIN or password to anyone or input it on any links someone is trying to access your account through another phone. No? Ibig sabihin, meron ditong tao na gustong mag-access sa account ko. Siguro iniisip niya dahil nag-tutorial ako, akala niya I have a lot of money, but I don't. Okay, so we've received a request, and if this is you, your OTP is, andyan nga yung number. If you did not make this request, be vigilant as someone might be trying to access your account. Okay, and then may nakalagay dyan na link para makita mo yung GCASH notification na yan. Okay, so ngayon ang gagawin nga natin ay pupunta tayo sa ating GCASH account. Tuturo ko sa inyo, ilagay nyo or gawin nyo ito para ma-save natin ang ating GCASH, no? Punta ako sa GCASH ko. Ayan, naka-open na siya, no? Syempre para hindi nyo makita kung ano yung pin ko. Syempre. So dito nga, pagdating mo dito sa GCASH, punta ka dun sa may tao. Nakita nyo ba yung profile? Nakalagay sa baba yung may tao-tao. Pindutin mo yon. Pagdating nandito na nga tayo sa ating GCASH profile, hindi ko nilalagyan talaga ng picture yan, no? Para maging discreet tayo. Ngayon, pagdating dito, saan ka pa pupunta? Syempre, pupunta tayo sa my settings. And then, ang pupuntahan mo ngayon ay yung account recovery. Nakita nyo yung may kulay blue, yung set now. Pinutin mo yung set now. And then, nakalagay dyan, security questions. Ano ba yung security questions? Ito yung mga tanong na iset natin para kung sakaling halimbawa magkaroon ng error sa logging in, and of course, kapag merong tao kung naka-access sa account natin and all of a sudden our MPIN was changed, no? Pinalitan yung ating MPIN. Magagawa natin na makuha ang ating account dahil meron nga tayong security questions. Ibig sabihin, pag nasagot natin yung security questions, makaka-access tayo. Also, kapag may security questions, kapag may gustong mag-access, no, na kulang sa information sa account mo, ibig sabihin, hindi niya masasagot ang mga tanong na to kung ang ilalagay natin ay complicated. Okay? By the way, ang GCASH ay safe as long as nasa atin yung SIM card natin. But what if may kumuha ng SIM card natin and naisalpak nila sa kanila, no? Or halimbawa, nanakaw yung ating phone or na-hold up, wag naman sana, no? Or na-hold up tayo or naiwanan natin ang phone kung saan and then nakita nila na may GCASH tayo, they can access our account. So, ang gagawin natin ay ito, okay? So, tama ang video na pinindot. So, your security is important to us, sabi ng GCASH. The information that you share will be kept safe and confidential. So, let's click set now. Pagdating dito, nakalagay set up security questions to help you recover your account. And then, next lang natin yan. Ayan, set up your security questions. Choose question number 1. Pindutin. Ayan, nakalagay dito, in what city was your first job? Ayan, in what city was your first job? Okay, anong gagawin natin dyan? Pili tayo dyan kung anong tanong, ha? In what city was your first job? What is your lucky number? What was your favorite place to visit as a child? What city were you were born? No? Or were you born in rather? Okay, what was your dream job when you were young? Mga ganyan, no? What was your childhood nickname? Ito pwede kasi hindi nila alam. Who was your childhood hero? Diba? So, very personal kasi ito, no? Sana wag kayong marites, wag kayong makwento para hindi malaman na kung sino. So, confidential dapat ito eh. Where did you travel for the first time? Yan. Who was your favorite grade school teacher? What is the first name of your best friend? So, pinapakita ko lang po ito, no? Para may idea kayo. What was the color of your first car? Wow, sana all. What was the name of your second pet? Tandaan mo pa ba? Okay, what is your favorite sport? In what city did you meet your significant others? In what city did your parents meet? Okay, so halimbawa ito, yung very personal yung pipiliin ko. Okay, so siguro ito na lang. What is the first name of your best friend? Yan, kasi hindi naman alam ng mga tao kasi kung sino best friend ko. Confirm ko yan and i-enter ko lang yung answer. Tatakpan ko na lang ito. Alright, so ayan, na-enter ko na. Punta naman ako ngayon sa question number 2. Yan. In what city was your first job? Confirm. And then, enter mo ulit ang sagot mo. And of course, punta sa 3. Pili ka ulit ng dito. Siguro yung lucky number na lang. Confirm. Enter mo yung sagot mo. Ano yung lucky number mo? Sa akin, syempre, yan. And then, question number 4. Pili ulit ako. What is your favorite sport? Enter ko ulit yung favorite sport ko. Okay. Click okay. And then, choose the last one, number 5. Pili na lang ako dito kung ano yung question. Okay. Anong pangalan ng second pet? Confirm. Enter ko na lang. Ayan. Alright. So, pagdating dito ngayon, na-set ko na. Ay, sorry. Ready na ako. And of course, pinutin ang confirm. Okay. Nakalagay dyan. Security question setup. Set up security questions to help you recover your account. Tap anywhere to continue. Alright, so okay na yun. Na-set up ko na ang aking security questions. Wala na mga hack or kung meron man, mahihirapan sila na hulaan kung ano mga pinaglalagay ko doon. Okay? So sana ay man natutunan. If yes, please huwag naman kalimutang pumindot sa ibaba. Pinutin ang plum button. Pwedeng i-like, pwedeng i-share, at pwedeng mag-comment down below. Of course, don't forget to hit the notification bell para laging updated sa mga bagong videos ng Learning Buddy. Also, if you have questions, please don't hesitate to comment those down below para alam natin. And of course, if you want me to create something about GCash, please do so. Comment and let's interact with one another. But I want to remind everybody that may we please keep the comment section be, a healthy conversation area or section. Okay, bye bye.